Hi folks, I'm Michael Jones, president of the Medical Exercise Training Institute and the founder of the Medical Exercise Specialist Workshop and Certification. We started this some 22 years ago, and over the last couple of years we've seen a lot of organizations and other groups that have tried to knock off the name. Well, let me tell you a little bit about the real Medical Exercise Specialist Workshop and Certification. So if you got a few minutes, let me tell you a little bit more. The medical exercise specialist is the standard in medical exercise training around the world. We've got medical exercise specialists on every continent except Antarctica, and they're doing a great job. The medical exercise specialist certification began in 1994. We did our first certification program in the Washington, D.C. area because in my private physical therapy practice, I realized there was a huge need for fitness professionals that understood how to manage medical conditions with exercise after we discharge these patients from physical therapy and or chiropractic care or medical care. Our medical exercise specialists trained by the Medical Exercise Training Institute provide medical exercise management of many musculoskeletal, neurologic, cardiovascular, and metabolic disorders. Each MES learns to manage medical conditions utilizing our protocol-based approach to exercise. And our medical exercise training protocols are the basis for every aspect of medical exercise training that we teach in our programs. So let me tell you a little bit more about our medical exercise specialist program. Medical exercise specialists provide medical exercise training. And medical exercise training is the development of safe and effective exercise programming for individuals with medical conditions. Now, this is our universal symbol for medical exercise training, and it's based on the following. The three basic components of medical exercise training are cardiovascular training, strength training, and flexibility training. These are all based on medical condition-based exercise protocols that we've used for the last 20 plus years. So when you look at this universal medical exercise training logo, you can see now it truly depicts that services are being provided by a medical exercise professional, our medical exercise specialist. So, as we continue on learning about the medical exercise specialist, the scope of practice for this individual includes cardiovascular training, aquatic training, stability training, functional conditioning, lifestyle and education training, the assessment, balance training, flexibility training, and strength training. These are all the components of the scope of practice for the medical exercise specialist. Now, this individual doesn't indulge or provide any aspect of medical treatment. No diagnostic services, no treatment services, no joint mobilization, no modalities. The only modality the medical exercise specialist uses is that of exercise based on these different modes of exercise. The medical exercise specialist is trained to manage a wide range of medical conditions utilizing only exercise. So if we take a look at these, laminectomy, PCL rupture, plantar fasciitis, frozen shoulder, hypertension, carpal tunnel syndrome, brachial plexus strain, these are all conditions that the medical exercise specialist is trained to manage after they finish physical therapy, chiropractic, or other medical services. Our medical exercise specialist track is based on the idea of we provide MET guidelines or medical exercise training guidelines and protocols for more than 60 medical conditions. Our lessons, there are 50 downloadable lessons, and we have both online and on-site options available for you, which I'm going to tell you about in this video. Each lesson that we have contains a video. The videos are anywhere from 15 to 90 minutes in length, depending upon the topic. We also provide a lesson guide and protocols that are all downloadable. Each lesson has a quiz, and our program starts at a base price of $995. Now, I'm going to give you a couple other options here. So these other options may be a little bit more expensive, but we do have payment plans available for all of you out there that want to find a more affordable and economic means of becoming a medical exercise specialist. So with our medical exercise specialist training lessons, we provide lessons that look at advanced anatomy and pathology in these lessons. We also have lessons that look at medical exercise protocols. Those are included in the lessons. We also have medical exercise case studies that help you now apply the information that you've learned in the course or in the modules. We also have lessons that look at the medical exercise screening and assessment procedures in great detail so you understand how to actually apply those with your clients. We also have practice development lessons that teach you how to build a practice and how to communicate with doctors, therapists, and chiropractors, and how to market your practice. And of course, we include business building tips. Now, along the way, as you're watching this video, go over to medicalexercisespecialist.com to get more information if you like. Now, let me tell you about the medical exercise specialist training or education options. Now, these options, we got 3 options, so it works for you if you are a good independent learner, or if you need just some accountability, or if you want to do more hands-on. We've got 3 options that work for each one of those. So you'll see here with our MEST online option, you receive immediate access to the 50 online lessons. You're going to now do these at your own pace. You have 1 year to complete the program, and the biggest things about this, or biggest components of this, is you get immediate access to all 50 lessons. It's self-paced learning, and this allows you to go through the entire MES program at your own pace. So if you've got a good anatomy background, you're a good disciplined learner, this is the option for you. And this option also includes the medical exercise specialist final examination. Another option is our MES study group. Now, this one is designed for those of you that need a little bit more structure in the learning process. So you get immediate access to the 50 MEST lessons as you would with the online version, but we also have 12 live video sessions. They're actually webinars that yours truly, me, Dr. Mike, teaches, and we go over the lessons that are taught in the MEST online component. Now, you still have to complete all the lessons, but we also have these live webinars. They're normally done every other week, which gives you enough time in between to review the lessons so you can get the most out of the live webinar. You can ask questions during these webinars, so it allows you to get the best of both an on-site training, but also the best of being able to stay at home and actually conserve your financial resources. Again, you get access to all 50 lessons, and you also participate in the live medical exercise specialist study group webinars that are taught by myself. The third option is the on-site option. So if you're one of those individuals that says, I want to actually go and learn and sit in front of the instructor and do some hands-on things, then the on-site option is for you. Now, with this on-site option, you get access to the 50 lessons. We also enroll you in our MES study group, and you get access and registration for our 2-day on-site workshop. And we have locations all over North America. But with this on-site workshop, we're now going to help you apply the information that you've learned in the on-site modules as well as in the study groups. So we're going to use more case studies, more medical exercise training management application, so now you understand how to actually manage the client. It's not about what exercises you're going to learn. We'll teach you some of those and the assessment techniques, but it's now about how you're going to manage that client to reach their highest level and produce a positive functional outcome. So again, with this one, you get access to the 2-day workshop, you get the 50 online lessons, and you also enrolled in our MES study group. So those are our 3 options. Let me repeat them again. Our online option, 50 lessons, is self-paced. The accelerated option is $995, which gives you access to all the lessons immediately. You can also do our standard option, makes it a little bit cheaper. It's $99 a month, and you get access to 1 lesson per week, which means you actually finish the program in about a year. Now, again, you get access to all 50 lessons. It's immediate access if you do the accelerated version. It's self-paced learning, and at the end of it, you're able to take the MES final examination. That's included in the prices that we've quoted here. Okay, that's for our online option. Our study group option, again, you get access to the 50 MEST lessons, as well as you get access to our 12 live webinars. Now, the cost of our MES study group is $1,145. We do have payment plans available for that. And as you can see here, we actually outline our study group in the same detail we did our online training. You get immediate access to the 50 lessons. You're enrolled in the MES study group, which consists of 12 live webinars that I will actually teach, and you can even ask questions live. So this is the best of both worlds, a live webinar without actually having to travel. So you get the best of both worlds. And again, with this one, you also get access to the final examination at the end. And then again, our on-site workshop, it's a 2-day on-site workshop. You get access to the 50 lessons. You're enrolled in the MES study group, the 12 live webinars, and the cost of this now is $15.95. We do have payment plans available for this, and again, immediate access to the lessons, enrollment in the MES study group, and an attendance at the 2-day on-site workshop where we now actually make you apply or help you apply all of this information to case study scenarios. You learn the assessment techniques, exercise techniques, so now when you get back to your community, back to your practice, you're now ready to provide medical exercise training services at the highest level. So, if you're a medical exercise professional out there and you really want to get the skills, knowledge, and understanding necessary to build a strong practice, produce outcomes for your clients, communicate effectively with the medical community, but more importantly, build a profitable and stable practice, you might want to look at our medical exercise specialist workshop and certification. We're giving you the 3 options. Please, if you would, go over to medicalecexercisespecialist.com to get more information. Again, my name is Dr. Michael Jones. I wish you the best in building your medical exercise training practice. If we can be of any assistance along the way, just give us a call, or you can reach us via our website. So thanks again for listening. Best wishes building your medical exercise training practice, and hopefully I'll see you in one of our courses.